We're staying in our GF1031 Southeast Madison _ cloud.dwg file. Now, what we're going to look at is how we open and save to those AutoCAD web and mobile folders. Now, in order to open a file from the web and mobile folders, you need to save it first. So this is where it's very quick and easy. Obviously, you're already logged into your AutoCAD subscription because you're running AutoCAD. So you go up to the quick access toolbar up here and you hit this icon here. It's got a little blue arrow on it, save to web and mobile. Now, the dialog box that comes up looks remarkably similar to the open one that we looked at in the previous video, but we're now saving the file. So you can see there that it's GF1031 Southeast Madison _ cloud. Now, if I come down a bit here, you'll find if I come down to G, it's already there. So if I click on save, I'll just get the usual prompt. Do you want to replace it? Simple answer is yes, I do. So I'm going to click on yes, like so. And that will allow me now to save that to the cloud. And you'll get this little prompt here, AutoCAD Web, AutoCAD Mobile on iOS and Android. You can also say, don't show me that again, but it's just letting you know that you've got the web and mobile tools available. So that is now saved to the cloud. You'll notice the file name gets a bit weird as well when you save it because it's got some weird and wonderful stuff in it. So what you might want to do there is just click on save like so here on the quick access toolbar. And then all you've got displaying is the name of your file on the title bar at the top of the screen. So now that's saved to the cloud, I can very easily just open that from the cloud again if I want to. Now, obviously the drawing is already open. So what would happen there if I now go to open and open from AutoCAD Web and Mobile? Let's scroll down to G again. So there's our cloud drawing there. If I click there and open, job done. It's already open. So you'll notice there that because it's cloud-based, you don't get that, oh, the file is already open and it's locked because somebody else is using it. So there can be multiple versions of your drawing open at any given time. Now, you've got to be aware of that, and it's really important that at the end of the day, when you finish with the drawing, you save it, you close it, and make sure that it's saved to the cloud as well, if you see what I mean. It's really important to make sure that you save out, because if you don't, you might start getting multiple versions in the cloud that have erroneous information in them. They might not have the right information. They might be the wrong version of the drawing. So that's how quick and easy it is to open and save from the AutoCAD Web and Mobile folders. There's no physical change to the drawing. It's just the location of the drawing you're working on and where it is saved to.